Welcome to TKA Investment Services. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards financial freedom? Look no further than the world of Bitcoin, crypto, and Forex trading. Here we discuss crypto news, Bitcoin news, Forex trading, and how to make money online. Join the millions of individuals who have already discovered the incredible potential of these cutting-edge investment opportunities. With Bitcoin, crypto, and Forex trading, you can take control of your financial destiny and unlock a world of limitless possibilities. Why choose Bitcoin? As the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin has revolutionized the way we think about money. It offers a decentralized, secure, and transparent platform for transactions, making it the perfect choice for those seeking financial independence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way. We provide comprehensive educational resources, real-time market analysis, and cutting-edge trading tools. Crypto trading takes the concept of digital currencies even further. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies available, you can diversify your portfolio and capitalize on the ever-evolving market trends. From Ethereum to Ripple, Litecoin to Cardano, the possibilities are endless. This is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. Information on this platform is for research and educational purposes. Welcome to TKA Investment Services. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards financial freedom? Look no further than the world of Bitcoin, crypto, and Forex trading.